Yo, we're off again. I just ducked out, got another box of tiles. Right, can you see everyone? Cool. So, right, the cut's going to be 50 mil, 60 mil. It doesn't matter because it wraps around. It's quite cool with these because it doesn't matter which way you turn them, the pattern is exactly the same, it's quite cool. You're not having to look at them all the time and look for that pattern. It's the same no matter which way you turn your tile, which is cool. Cool. Don't forget to subscribe. By subscribing to my channel, you'll be notified every time I bring another video out. I'm here to try and teach as much as I can to people. Because things might be sort of happening that you might want to save a little bit of money by doing it yourself. There's always been DIYs, always. Everyone wants to give things a go. Alright everyone, I'll sign off. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, please comment on anything and I'll do my best to answer it. If you have a question you'd like to ask me, anything, just hit me with it and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. That happens sometimes. Your clip gives up the ghost. No biggie. Alright people, give us a thumbs up. Poke the subscribe button. We'll see you very soon. Bye.